What's up everybody, welcome here on this channel. Once again, it's Matchbox time. So it's been quite a while since I could find some new Matchbox single packs, but as you can see, finally I was successful. Basically, these are all models from Mache-E from 2023 except the Lexus, and as you can see this time we got mainly blister packagings and one power grab. It always depends on the store. I'm glad when I find something at all. So yeah, there we are, and I would say let's get started with the unboxing. And yeah, let's start with this one here. This is the 1985 Porsche 911 Rallye. As you can see, this one comes in the 70 years anniversary special livery. Let's take this one out of its packaging. So first of all, let's take a look at the livery. It looks really cool. So this is a color scheme that we've seen before on some models. This is a special color scheme for the 70 years anniversary. So we got silver, orange, black and white, and this is the basic color scheme. They change it a little bit. We've seen cars that are mainly orange in the moving parts. So yeah, here we are. This is a casting. Normally I'm not a huge fan of. There are some really ugly versions of this Porsche out there. Especially there is a green version. This is one of the ugliest Matchbox models I've ever seen. But in this livery, I think it looks really, really cool. So we get a lot of livery for a mainline model, as you can see. We get deco on the side with the 70 years anniversary logo. We get the 70 years logo on the hood. And this is really, really cool. Look at the headlights. They are painted, and also it looks like also these little auxiliary lights are painted also. So yeah, really, really nice. We got some sponsor logos, Bilstein, Falcon, Momo, really cool, and also the Porsche badge on the hood. Comes with these molded in stuff on the roof, the spare tire, jerry can, yeah. A really, really nice model. Glad to have it. So we go on with this one here. I'm not 100% sure about the correct pronunciation, but this is the 1992 Mazda Autozam, I don't know, AZ1. This is a new casting, and yeah, this is something I really like. I mean, I'm not 100% sure if you can call this a K car. I don't know if it is a K car. I mean, it looks a little bit like this, you know, these extremely yeah, light cars with a small engine that are kind of popular in Japan because you have some advantages, you know, kind of cheap. So yeah, this is a pretty nice model. Comes with the lens headlights, which is very cool. This is all plastic here on top. Or let's say not everything. This, I don't know, you can call this B or C pillar. This is metal, and yeah, kind of an interesting, really, really interesting model. I'm really into this, let's say, a little bit weird stuff. Comes with the details on the back and with this logo on the front. I think it would look a little bit better in another color, maybe in white or something, but yeah. So new casting, really cool. We get another new casting for 2023, which is this one here, the 1970 Honda N600 Offroad. Yeah. So here it is. Interestingly, also with a lot of deco. You know, normally they save some money at some point, so we don't get anything on the back, but we get some cool rally livery on the side, and we also get details on the front, headlights and the grille. Yeah, pretty nice. So we've seen the, let's say, regular basic N600 before, so let's do a little comparison and let's see what's different. So here we got the basic version, so to say, and the off-road version. And as you can see, this is a different casting. We get these two auxiliary lights on the roof, and it seems like that the rally version also doesn't have the mirror on the left side. As you can see, this one has only one mirror on the left side. For all of you that don't know, back in the 70s, a second mirror sometimes was an option. You had to pay for that. And yeah, much bigger wheels on the rally version. Yeah, so very nice. Into the parking lot. And we go on with this one here. We've seen a lot of versions before. This is the 2016 Ford Interceptor Utility. So this is a special version for the US police. This time in black, saying sheriff here on the side, Kootenai County, wherever that is. And yeah, we don't get anything on the back, so they do some, or a part of the taillights from the side and a part of the headlights also. Yeah, it's quite okay. Comes with a trailer hitch and typical for the police, a push bar in the front. This is one of the other versions for a little comparison. NYPD logo. So yeah, pretty nice. And into the parking lot as we go on with the 2016 Chevy Camaro Convertible in yellow. Yeah. There we are. Get some pretty nice headlights, Chevy logo, and some details on the back. Yep, and then another version of the Ice Cream King, now in pink. So this is a very good example for how your taste in terms of diecast can change. I'm more and more into this unlicensed stuff. I really like these food trucks. They come in with such cool decos sometimes. So yeah, what does this say? Cones, shakes, cold treats, ask about our diecast special. Okay, this is kind of funny. I like it. I really like it when they do something like this. This is another version we've seen recently, selling some lime juice. Yeah, pretty nice. Into the parking lot. And then what else do we got? The International Workstar ambulance. In kind of a cool yellow. So I think the recent version was in white, and we've also seen it in red, I think. So this one seems to have no interior, but we get kind of a light bar in black. The body is made out of plastic, but it comes with a metal base, and we get a metal front, and this looks kind of cool in my opinion. Pretty nice model. There we are. What else do we got? 2021 Ford Mustang Mache-E, now in gray. I think this... Ooh, it's stuck in here. This is the second color we see. The first version came in a really nice, I think it was like orange metallic or something. A really cool version. And I think we will see this, I'm not 100% sure. Also, I think it's in a 5-pack in kind of a taxi version. So, yeah. So, nice details on the back, pretty nicely done taillights. And also the deco on the front, it looks very good. We get the grille with the Mustang logo, pretty nice headlights. Glossy gray livery, nice. And then we do have this one here, the 2019 Jeep Renegade, now and now. Seems to be like a nice pearl white, looking kind of cool. Get deco on the front headlights and grille, and also the back does look kind of cool. We get a Jeep license plate and these typical taillights, chrome 5-spokes. So we've seen a lot of versions of this guy here too. Pretty nice. And our final model seems to be another 70 years, a special version. So I don't think this is from Mix 8. Please don't ask me from which mix this one is. The mixes arrive here, or don't arrive in any particular order here. I'm glad when I get all of those models that I want. So here we got the 1994 Lexus LS400, and this, in my opinion, is only the second version that we see. Here we go with our final model for this video. Yeah, also kind of interesting. We get deco on the back. It's also pretty nice. We get 70 years a license plate. Pretty nice taillights, and we get deco on the side. This orange stripe, or the orange, and yeah, it's an orange stripe. The 70 years logo. Very small on this one, and we get headlights. So yeah, kind of a full deco on this one. So this is pretty nice, I have to say. Yeah, so that was the last one. So let's put the rotator to the side, bring our models a little bit closer. And yeah, as always, I'm trying to pick a favorite from this unboxing. This time we got some really pretty nice stuff. So I mean, when I say, or when I talk about new castings, I think this Autozam, or however you pronounce it, is really cool. But I think, even though I don't like the other castings, or I mean it's the same casting, but the deco on this one is so cool in my opinion. And yeah, I would say my personal favorite from today's unboxing is this Porsche with this 70 years deco, looking very cool. That's it for today's video. If you did like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching, happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.